Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Todd with TW Home Show, and today I'm going to be showing you how to save some money and turn your garage door into a smart garage door with this little $15 piece of electronic device. It's very easy to hook up. It only takes a few minutes, and I also use it with my gate. The same device operates my gate right up there. And I've got it currently operating with this 2-car garage door. I'll show you that. There it is, right up there. But now, today I wanted to show you how to make this work with a traditional style, because there's been a lot of questions. So I'm using it on this single garage door with a traditional style garage door opener. 1/2 horsepower Chamberlain LiftMaster. And what you want to do first is test to make sure it's going to be compatible. Now, to test this out, you want to get up here to the garage door opener, and usually it's going to be the two to the left, the connectors, the red and the white. And take a jumper cable like this, just cut a piece and splice both ends, make it into a U, and tap both of those ends right into the red and the white. Just push them in there and make contact. And it opens it up. And then just test it again, make sure it reverses it. Put them in there again. Put it in the red and the white. Okay, so this garage door opener is going to work for us. Now stay tuned. We're going to jump into my office and work on the bench with this little tiny unit here, get it all programmed, and then we'll get it set up. It only takes a few minutes. Stay tuned. Oh, also, by the way, this works with on your smartphone on the eWeLINK app. So if you have access to your smartphone anywhere around the world, you can access your garage doors. You can access it with Alexa, and you can access it with Google Home devices. Like I'll display an example right here on my double door. Echo, close garage door.
Okay.
So if that's what you want to do, stick around. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to need are these supplies. I'll put a display on the TV screen here. You're going to need some wire, some garage door wiring. It's just simple strand wiring. You're going to need the eWeLINK circuit board, which is only around $14–15. I'll leave the link for all this stuff below in the description of this video. And you're going to need a 5-volt smartphone charger cord. Block end and the cord, and that's a micro USB that will plug into this board and power it. And you should have an outlet up there, an extra outlet, or make an extra outlet up on the ceiling or nearby where your garage door opener plugs into. First thing you want to do is go into your iOS store or your Google Play store on your smartphone. I'm going in right here now, and go up to the search field here and just type in eWeLINK like that, and see this logo right here with the small e. Click on that, and this will take it right to the spot of eWeLINK. You're going to want to install this. I've already got it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it right now and show it to you. This is how you're going to want to install the application onto this little circuit board that's going to make your whole thing smart. Now, I've already got it on my double garage door and my gate, so this is where you would log in to open and close your doors as well. So right now we're going to, if you haven't already, you're going to want to register and then log in. I've already registered. It's simple, easy to register with your email address. All right guys, we're going to go ahead and plug this little module in now with my 5-volt micro USB cord and charger block and plug it into the end of your circuit board there. Okay, notice there's already a blinking light, but we want to put that in program mode, so we're going to hold this middle button there. It blinked twice and now it's blinking rapidly. That's how we want it. We'll switch to the other. Follow me now. We're going to go ahead and plus add a device, and right here it says quick pairing mode. This is what you're going to look for, this blinking light. Power up the model, then press and hold pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED indicator blinks twice and on repeatedly. Alright guys, we're back, and now we're going to hit next. We're going to log in with our Wi-Fi name and password and hit next. It says only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so I'm going to have to pick another network on my home network here, and I do have another one that's only 2.4 gigahertz connection, so I'll go ahead and find that now. That's this TW Spectrum I'm using in 2.4 gigahertz, and we'll go back after we've connected to there. Go back and go back again, back into our app and enter our password right here. Alright guys, we found the device within a few seconds, and here's where you can edit the name. So I'm going to go in here and rename this. Now I already have one named garage door or garage, so I'm going to make this single garage door. Okay, and then complete. Adding successfully. The device is connected to Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes. Please wait. I say, okay, got it. And there it is. We have 3 devices now. If this is your first time, you're going to have your first smart device on here, partially set up at the moment. And we're going to test this out. I'm going to click that. And yes, the device did click. Click it again. Instant click. Real instant click. Alright guys, I'm going to do this part on the bench. What I did was I took a short strand of wire. Doesn't matter the length, and it doesn't matter which lead goes to what connector on here. But we're going to take this little circuit board here. If you flip it over on the back side, you're going to see NO connection, COM, and NC. So we're going to connect these 2 wires to the NO and the COM connectors. So I'm going to back these screws off. They're the 2 left side connectors. I'm going to open it up by just unscrewing these 2 screws just a bit, and then just fit them into here. Push them in there. Okay, just try to hold them while you tighten the screw. Tighten these up snug. Do the next one. Snug it. Just give it a little tug. We're good. And probably you might have wanted to unplug this, but it doesn't appear that anything happened bad. If you were to cross some of these circuits on here with it plugged in, that might have been bad. Alright, so we're just going to go out to the garage now, make our 2 connections to the back side of our garage door opener, plug in the power to an outlet nearby, and we'll go from there. So I probably won't be able to do this with one hand, but what you'll want to do is there's little orange tabs down here. Just take a little mini screwdriver, flathead, and press that in while you push your lead in into each one of these. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, after you've made your connections, we've got them done right here. Give it a little tug. Make sure they clamped into those little tiny clamps there, and make sure it didn't mess with your original 2 wires that were in there. Those original 2 wires go up to your button that's on your wall. And make sure you've plugged in your 5-volt adapter plug that goes into your power. Mine's going into the power strip here. And the last thing, make sure the middle button there is lit up. There's 2 buttons, an outer one here and an inner one. The inner one is the momentary inching or jogging mode. It's going to just give it a connection just for a minute, just enough, just like you're pressing a button on your garage door that's on the wall. It's just going to press it, and it's going to make it open or close. So we're going to go to our app. I'm going to open up my smart thing, or my smart app, eWe Smart app. Right here we've got it. Remember, we named it single garage door. I'm going to go ahead and press that. Guys, it worked. It's working. A $14, $15 little module and 2 wire connections. We'll hit it again. Instantly. Guys, we did it again. Now if you like this and you want to make it smarter, works with your Google Home or Alexa. Right now I've got Alexa at home, so I'm going to go in there, take you guys how to make that work quickly, just as we've done this really quickly, and we'll test it out after we do that. I'm going to open up Alexa app. Once you open your Alexa app, we're going to want to go to the menu button up here. Press that. This new Alexa update, I really don't like it. It takes a long time after you press a button. But anyway, we'll deal with it. Now go into skills and games. We got to find the eWeLINK skill. And what you'll do is you'll just go into search all, and type eWeLINK. And I believe it's SmartHome fan that actually works the best. So we'll click that, touch that. eWeLINK SmartHome. See, it says disable skill. That's because I already have it. It wasn't the fan one, it was eWeLINK SmartHome skill. And it's already enabled. So after you get yours enabled, you want to go back on your back button. And go back again to your menu. And then you want to go to, what is it? We got to discover devices. I think we want to go back to our home. Go to the home here. And then hit your plus button, because we want to add this new garage door device. And then just say add device, click that. What type of device? Just say other. And then you'll get your discover devices button and press that. So it's going to discover for new devices now. This only takes a few seconds. As you can see, 45 seconds. Oh, one switch discovered. Okay, hit your done button. Okay, now that we've got our new single garage door discovered, we want to go to our menu again. Go to routines. Because right now it just works by saying activate garage door. We want, or activate single garage door. We want a special routine, so we're going to hit the plus when we get into the routine screen. And when this happens, so we're going to say a voice command, our voice. When we say that, open single garage door, whatever you named it. Save, and then the action we want it to do, we'll hit the plus button here. It's a smart home device. We want it to control device. So we're looking for, let's see, single garage door. There it is, single garage door. So press that. We want it to turn it on, like that. Power it on, hit next, and then create. So we're creating that routine. And we've got success. It might take a minute or so. So we're going to add another routine while we're at it. All right, when this happens, a voice command from us, we're going to say close single garage door. Close single garage door. Save. The action we want it to do is a smart home device we're going to pick. It's a control device. Select that. And then we got to find single garage door again. Whatever we named it. Whatever you named it. Single garage door. And we want it to power on again. All this thing can do is power on. It just hits a momentary click, like a button. So that's fine. That's what we want it to do. Hit your next button. And it's created it. Hit create now. Then it will actually create it. We've got success. So we've got our two commands in there now. We're ready to go. Now guys, this is cool. I've used these eWeLINKs for both my garage door openers. I've used them for my gate out there in combination with my cameras. See that camera up there? I can monitor from my office at work. I got a camera out there pointed at the gate. So if anybody calls me and says they're at the gate, I can easily give them access. I'll open my Alexa device and give it those commands, and it will work from anywhere around the world. All right, so I've got Alexa device plugged in on the wall there. We're going to open up our new single garage door. Echo, open single garage door. Our device is working properly. If you had any issues, make sure just that middle light, LED light, is on your circuit module there on the eWeLINK. Make sure your connections are firm and connected sturdy on both ends, and make sure the unit is plugged in, because I actually did that. I tried it out and I was wondering, why aren't the LEDs lit up? I actually had it plugged in but forgot to plug in my 5-volt cord into the board. So make sure all those connections are made. If you're having any issues, we'll try this again. Echo, close single garage door. Oops. Guys, if this device worked for you and your situation within a few minutes like it did for us here on camera, let me know in the comments below if you got it to work. If you're having any issues, use the comment field below. Maybe other viewers might be able to offer some assistance if I can't. And I hope you love it like I do. And anyways, remember, it will work with Google Home devices as well too. So there's instructions online on the eWeLINK app, instruction and help section. So tune in there. Anyways, all the links are down below in the video description. And guys, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you on the next video. Echo, open single garage door.